And I want to share one thing about last night when I sleep. It's kind of still spooky, you know, there's a light there. So they are like a shining, turn on and turn off. Probably just, and I realized today it's probably just spiders. Sensory, very interesting. Then I take it off my contact lenses and then, well, and then no Wi-Fi connection here, then so even if I see any ghost or something, I cannot recognize. So I did it like a 10 times P there. And doing a good shit in the morning, find a good spot, some spring water. So far I just feel I like the life here. And I face my feeling I don't want to go back city. I don't know how. But I'm not trying to write down every single plan to force universe to do this with me or do it in my way. I have no way. I have any way. The layers be faded, be taking off from this heavy shell of being a human, go back to the real voices of me. Sometimes it's very subtle, not easy to hear. Oh, by the way, a lot of earthquakes last night too. And I'm on the ground anyway, so light, sunlight.